You ready? Come and get it.
What do you want me to do with these?
We're gonna put the clamps on. We're gonna do it.
Okay.
Let's do it.
I don't, what do I need to do? What are the instructions?
We're gonna...
Do I have to lift this up right now?
Well, we're gonna put it over there and then we'll stick our clamps on.
Why don't we stick the first half? Oh, we can't stick the first half on first.
No.
Let's do it. The dangerous part is next, apparently. Oh, that was so close. Lyndon.
Oh, come on, Tiff.
If only there was something you could do to just be safe.
That was safe.
Like put a piece of wood behind it or something, you know?
Yeah, actually, that would be a really good idea.
Oh man!
I don't have any wood though.
What'd you do without me?
Babe, we both know I've done many foolish things without you.
I know. Should we do a scar count?
No need to dwell on things of the past.
We should probably do a count. 1, flip your hands over. 2, what else do we have? 3, 4, what else?
Hands are...
Should we look at your knees from last summer?
What did I do to my knees last summer?
And you took a little stumble right over there?
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness. I missed that. Did you use cardboard?
Yeah, and it worked like a charm.
It sounded like you hit it.
Nope. Once I finished drilling the holes, we were able to get the solar panels mounted up pretty quick. So Tiff has decided to try to get the toilet working a little better. We've had some issues with it getting plugged, especially when we're on anchor and maybe the batteries are a bit low. Working away. Valves are closed, right?
I think so. Do I just have to shake it off? Oh, I don't want to do this. Do I just pull it?
Careful. Yeah.
Oh, it's working. Ah! Okay.
I gotta make sure I get... Is there water coming out of there?
Yeah. That's the poop water.
That's where the poop comes.
Oh, I can't even. It's stuck against the wall. Ew. That's kind of dirty.
Wow, look at
Oh,
you!
it stinks.
Does it smell like...
30 years of boat.
It's all old John's old poop, right? Not our poop.
No.
Move the pail so I can get a good look.
There's not really a lot in there.
Oh, come on. I don't want to see what's in the pail.
Oh. 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 That is so gross.
That, my friends.
How do I clean that? I'm not cleaning that.
Do you want the toilet to work?
That's so gross. That's why this cabinet does not smell very good.
Ooh, it does smell.
Okay. Oh, this is so gross.
Where are you going to scoop that out?
I'm not, I don't know.
Shouldn't you be wearing gloves for this sort of
I
thing?
think I probably should have. Oh. Yeah, I probably should have. I'm gonna go bleach my hands off.
Maybe you should put a bag over that so it doesn't stink.
And then deal with it later?
Yeah.
Thanks. That's a good idea. Out of sight, out of mind. Okay.
We've decided we're just going to poop in a bucket and throw it overboard.
Yeah, because this is gross. I didn't realize I'd be coming into contact with it. I don't know what I expected. We've got rain today. We're supposed to have rain for the next few days, but we still got our other solar panels hooked up. Lyndon ran the wires last night, or when did you do that? Cut the holes in the boat, so we just plugged them in. We're getting a little power from them, but not much, obviously, because it's like this out there. Not too much sun. Yeah, it's exciting. Exciting to feel a little bit more set up to go off for longer than just a couple days. So it's exciting. Oh, there he is. Oh yeah, we took off the sewer hoses. What would you call them?
The dump pipes?
The dump pipes last night, and they're so gross. The amount of buildup in there.
We were having a little trouble with it flushing properly. And you'd like, but why? That's such a huge pipe, right? But
yeah. That is so disgusting. We were pretty thankful that the rain didn't last very long. Meanwhile, we ordered up the new sanitation hose, which was scheduled to arrive the next day. I stopped the delivery truck this morning. He showed up with some deliveries. Ordered some teak oil for our teak. And we got some Sani hose. Is that what it's called, Lyndon? Sanitation hose. So we can, well, I can do the, the toilet and fix that up. Lyndon's hooking up some more things. Got the wind generator there. Are you feeling inspired or just antsy to get out of here?
why would I be inspired?
Well, I don't know, because now you're all of a sudden working on this. You've had it for months.
Oh, well, it's nice out, and I want to go out sailing and not have to come back in 2 days.
Fair enough, fair enough.
Could you give me my knife?
Well, the X-Acto knife?
Yeah.
Sure. Will do. You're doing a great job. Stupid flatheads.
Yeah.
Those look so much cleaner. Hopefully the smell guard will be good.
You're doubting it? You're doubting the smell guard?
Nah. Oh, oh no. Did you lose it?
I think so.
Looks like you're doing all the work for this.
I'm doing all the easy, non-smelling.
I did all the other stuff.
Tiff did all the hard.
You got 2 on there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you know it. You're the one who told me.
This wind generator is an Air Breeze model, and we'd gotten it free from some friends. I had no idea if it would work. It had been sitting in a storage shed for a few years, but I was hoping that I would just plug it in and it would work perfectly.
We're just about ready to go. We were hoping to leave at like 10 this morning. I think it's about noon. But we're gonna go to Provost Island. Is that right?
No, Pender.
Oh, we're going to go to Pender Island. We've heard a lot about it. It's supposed to be really beautiful. I think it's 4.5 hours away. The weather's supposed to be really nice for the rest of the week, so we thought we'd take advantage of that. Yeah. So let's go. Why are you so excited?
Trying to get the wind generator to turn. We're at full speed.
Oh!
Maybe it's all
Barely moving. How many amps do you think it's pulling in?
Oh,
you
a
showed
lot.
me how to reach for the best of myself. It's all good. You showed the way, yeah.
You have a nice day out, and the sun should be coming out at some point. Yeah. We're gonna eat lunch and just keep we can sail. That won't be for a couple hours until we get around, get through the Sansom Narrows. Once we were through the Narrows, the sun didn't come out and neither did any wind. But something that was working was the autopilot, so we set it on course and huddled up under the Dodger. That's quite the setup, eh?
Yeah, very homemade.
It looks like it's extended.
I tried so hard, stumbling in the dark, to learn how to see. You already saw. You're the one to blame.
On the way to Pender Island, you come right up alongside the border. So on one side there's Canada and one side USA. USA, baby. USA. Red, white, and blue.
When you show the way, yeah. Even if I fall, ooh, I trust you'll stay, yeah. And through the door.
So coming in here, this is where you check in. If you're coming in from the States, this is one of the check-in harbors.
So you just go to, is that like a government dock?
Yeah, there's like a customs dock there.
Oh, that's cool.
I think it's only open from like April till October or something.
Oh. From like 9 till 9:15,
Yeah.
Monday through Wednesday.
And then a long lunch.
Yeah. We just dropped anchor at Medicine Beach, I believe it's called, on Pender Island. Nobody around. Yeah, it's beautiful. So we'll go explore a bit. There's a boat on the shore that's all, looks like it's been there a while on the beach. It's pretty beached. I've got to clean up this place.
Pardon me?
I said we got to clean this place up.
Get the cinnamon buns going. I mean,
What? That was weird. Did you know that you were saying that?
slipped out of my mouth.
Man, should we go like to shore now, or what time is it? Why do I feel so hungry?
It's 4:17.
Yeah.
So
Maybe not go exploring tonight?
we can go row to shore. Let's just quickly check on Google Maps and see.
What there is?
Pretty sure we walk up that road and there's a coffee shop right there. But it's
Yeah.
probably closed.
Yeah, I know. Tiny island. Cool. How's it looking?
Good. Just about to kick over to the diesel here.
Then what?
Hear it? The diesel heating up.
Whoa, that's so cool. Such a nice heat.
It is nice to have it. Just like when you're out, and it's nice to be all cozy and warm, but if we're honest, I'm done with being cozy and warm.
You want to be warm and not cozy.
I want to be sweating, wanting to jump into the lake, and by lake, of course, I mean ocean.
Still getting used to that one.
Yeah. No, I think the thing that I'm really excited for, / I'm really tired of, is just not having to bundle up and wear 2 pairs of socks and 2 pairs of pants and 4 shirts. I'm sure this could have all been solved if we bought like winter sailing gear, but we don't want to winter sail.
We're fighting it till the bitter end. The bitter cold end. We hope you enjoyed this episode. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. We post a new episode every Wednesday. If you want to support us on this adventure, head over to our Patreon page. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. Links are below. You guys are the best. Thanks for watching.